Happy Friday, yellow spellers. So today we are focusing on the long E and the long A vowel sound. So the long E vowel sound spelling pattern is EA or EE. Okay, so the first vowel does the talking and the next vowel does the walking. Okay, the long A vowel sound the spelling pattern is AY or AI. Okay, the first vowel does the talking, the next vowel does the walking. Okay, so let's look at the first header, spelling pattern EA for the long E vowel sound. Dream. I have a dream to catch a big muskie. Treat. For your birthday, you might have a special treat that you like to have. T. Notice there's no consonant that's shutting off that long E vowel sound. It just keeps going. Tea, as in I drink, instead of coffee, some people drink green tea. When you're thinking of if you go golfing, the tee that you put the golf ball on before you swing, this is the spelling pattern for that tee. Okay, your tea is the tea that you drink. Real. Okay, this type of real is, this is a real computer. It's real. Or that is a real dog. It's not a statue of a dog, it's real. If I was talking about a fishing pole and I'm reeling up the line or reeling up the fish, that's how you spell that kind of reel with two E's. But our reel is like the real dog, not a statue of a dog. Okay, so let's look at long E vowel sound spelling pattern double E. Speed. There is a speed limit for you to drive. Seem. It seems to me that it is getting warmer outside. Seem. Screen. You are looking at a screen right now on your computer. And sweet. Maybe that birthday treat that you have is super sweet. Okay, let's look at long A vowel sound spelling pattern, A-Y. Today is May 8th, 2020. Spelling pattern, A-Y. You hear A's name and you hear E's name. A and E. It's not short A, and it's not short E, It's long A. You hear their names. Let's see what else. Lay. I lay down on my bed to go to sleep. Lay. Let's look at the spelling pattern AI for long A vowel sound. Trail. Maybe you go hiking on a trail. The first vowel does the talking, the next vowel does the walking. Afraid. You hear A's name, A. First vowel does the talking, next vowel does the walking. I am afraid of heights. Afraid. Bait. Ooh, I like this one. You use bait to catch walleyes. Bait. And that's all of them. So practice your words this week. And there are different, on our choice board, there is different worksheets that you can do to practice your spelling words as well.